You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but I get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? I used to be so quiet like a fly.
This is up. This is up. This is down. This is down. This is up. This is up. And this is down. This is down. If you're leaning to the side, side to side, and this is turning around. Okay, hi guys. So we're here at ano to? Famous Days kasi mag-celebrate kami ng birthday ni Mama. Naka-birthday off siya ngayon. Naka-birthday leave. So, instead na pumasok siya, nag-ano siya, spend time with us. Ito nga pala yung birthday mo. Ay, Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy. Daddy Boo.
Hello.
Happy birthday.
We will play later. Kasi ang baby ay gusto mag-play sa our shop.
Since Tuesday ngayon, sakto din kasi James Day. Ano siya, kasi mura lang yung ano, parang may promo sila guys sa Orange Hub. Orange Hub is yung parang playground ng mga bata, tsaka matatanda. Gagala din namin si baby mama, mag-play date sila ni Daddy. Happy birthday, mahal!
Thank you.
Sabihin ko ba age mo?
Sinasabi mo dyan?
20. By the way, ang baon ni Ryle is grapes, favorite niya, and gumawa ako kanina ng homemade na chicken nuggets. Do you love chicken nuggets? I love chicken nuggets! Sarap naman! Tinago ko yung carrots and broccoli sa loob. Diba? Healthy pa din. Ba? Ba? Yummy?
On your wall, and everything around you made me feel like I was small. But then you said my name. Now it feels so strange. I've been waiting, oh so patient. Now the colors on my room are changing. Oh God, this feels amazing. Starting now with you, and I don't mind. You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but I get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? You give me butterflies. Oh, what a surprise! The thought of your kiss as the people walk by. I'm just dying to ask, wouldn't hurt to try. Just me and you.
Kasi yung patalikod mahal, ganyan. Hello ka, Daddy, oh? Daddy! 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 Daddy, oh!
And I don't mind. You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but I get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? You give me butterflies. Oh, what a surprise! The thought of your kiss as the people walk by. I'm just dying to ask, wouldn't hurt to try. Just me and you. What should I do? Day and night I'm missing you. Keep running around my head, just dreaming every possibility. Oh, think about a moment where I'm lying next to you. It's like a fantasy. You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but I get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? You give me butterflies. Oh, what a surprise! The thought of your kiss as the people walk by. I'm just dying to ask, wouldn't hurt to try. Just
Tapos na kami maglaro sa Orange Hub and ito kami sa food court. And successful yung aming game time or play time with Ryan kasi Borlogs na siya. Napagod yung bata. Yun kasi yung yun yung doon, goal is makatulog si baby. Or pagubis. Hindi, ang saya lang kasi ang daming na-unlock ng skills, nakaka-akit-akit na siya ng medyo mabilis, tapos nakakalakad ng with confidence konti. Kasi siya yung pag naglalakad siya kasama ko, lagi siyang humahawak. Kaya, nakakatuwa na pag bumibitaw siya tapos siya lang naglalakad mag-isa. Tapos natutuwa na siya sa slides. So, yun lang naman. And dati hindi namin ito napapatulog sa stroller. Pero ngayon, nalalapag na namin siya. Dito kami sa food court. Kain lang kami ni Modang pizza sa Papa John's. Pang third time na Papa John's na namin ito simula nang dumating kami. Kasi nag-enjoy din naman kami. Ang sarap. Tapos stuffed crust, mainit-init, cheesy with meaty pa. Sarap lang kumain. Kasama yung isa. Birthday boy. Usap niya yung parents niya. So, bye-bye.
Bye, love you.
Nag-enjoy ka.
Siyempre.
Happy ka?
Happy yung kasama kayo.
Kasama kami. Happy.
Super happy.
Ba talaga pag kumpleto kami, yung magkakasama kami tatlo. Kasi happy naman ako nakasama ko yung family ko sa Pinas. Pero iba yung pagkumpleto yung kasandyan si Mon, parang mas madali, mas magaan ganun. Iba din kasi yung stress level ko nung nung nandun ako sa Pinas. Nawala siya. Kasi wala. Hirap ng LDR, hindi kami talaga sanay. Lalo ako, tapos nandiyan pa si baby. So, happy lang kasi kompleto kami. Dito na yung order namin from Papa John's. Ayan. Pizza with chicken. Tapos, meron kaming buffalo sauce para hindi manghang, nakahiwalay siya. Then,
Wipes.
ito, spicy garlic. Kasi yung dati is garlic lang. Ito, spicy garlic. Grabe. Ang gwapo talaga itong camera ko. Ganda.
Sira na, toppings.
So, yun lang guys, ang aming birthday vlog ni Mon. Hindi ko birthday. Yeah. See you next time. Share the good vibes. Bye! Gumagana na ako ulit. Sana ba ituloy ko to?